Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can get voice chat on Roblox. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for roblox.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, hover your mouse over the settings icon at top right corner and select settings from the drop-down menu. In order to enable voice chat, you will need to verify your email address and your age. In order to verify your age, click on the Verify My Age button and a QR code will appear on your screen. All you need to do is grab your mobile device and scan this QR code, either with camera or a dedicated app. After scanning it, you will be sent to this web page. Here, tap on the Begin Verifying button and choose your country of residence. Now tap on Select and choose the preferred option. I will select National ID, tap on this camera button and the camera will automatically open up. Simply scan your ID and wait for it to verify. Once verified, scan your face and wait for it to load. After it is done loading, your age will be verified automatically. Now all you need to do is go to the Privacy tab from the left side menu and enable the voice chat feature. So that's basically how you can get voice chat on Roblox. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.